Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sandeep Joradkar. Today I am going to present the Learning Sustenance project. Title is to reduce the container detention at volume. Going forward, I would like to brief the previous project's update. First project was order delivery performance. Second one was volume of specialty volume increment at volume site. This is the summary of delivery performance of last 8 months. Currently we are at 77%. Second one is the specialty volume improvement project summary. Currently we are at 76%. Now coming back to the learning sustenance project. This is the third project we are going to present in our hypo journey. The project objective is to reduce the container detention by analyzing deviation, which will save the detention charges of the container, and this will also help to improve the delivery commitments. The scope area for this is Waluj plant. Team leader myself Sanjeev Joradkar. Team members are Mahesh, Rajesh, Vijay, Makaran. Facilitator is Mr. Tarun Gupta, Mr. Jeevan Kulkarni. We have initiated this project in November 22 and expected to conclude by March 20. Going forward, I would like to share some standard definitions for everyone's understanding. What is the detention and what is the damage actually? The detention refers to the charges that merchant has to pay for the use of the container outside the terminal or depot beyond the free time period, and damage is something refers to which the charges the merchant has to pay for the use of the container within the terminal beyond the free time period. This is just for everyone's reference and understanding purpose. Here is the list of abbreviations which we have used during the presentation, like MT, SO, PPC, ETD, ETD, EDD, OTD and DT. This is the schedule for improvement we have designed based on the 7QC tools. First one is problem definition, observation, analysis, action, check, standardized, conclusion. Currently we are at observation and analysis phase. We have observed the problem definition, like by facing the container detention from the plant level, we are losing the on-time delivery target, customer trust, as well as the container supplier trust. Why it is important? Because the container detention from the plant level, it is affecting on the sales order delivery performance and expected time of departure commitments. It is more important because the customer are dependable on-time delivery from their suppliers, and both early and late deliveries can be disruptive for the supply chain. It is also important because the on-time delivery shows the ability of the organization to meet the customer expectation with respect to the time it takes to satisfy the specific order. The theme we have assumed for this target based on the current situation, like during last few years, the free time period has been reduced and the tariff for the damage and detention charges have been increased considerably on the global level. We can target to reduce the losses on account of the container detention at the plant. Prioritize container that are on the risk of incurring the damage and detention charges to work on achieve the expected delivery date and receive the real-time notification and alert for the dwell time. Going forward, we have collected the data at the sales data at the plant level. Further, we have drilled down the export sales volume, and we have uh, analyzed the number of we have worked out the number of containers used for that export supplies. Based on that export sales data, we have come with the following observation. This data is after the month-wise container delivery data analysis of 8 months, that is April to November 22. We have following observation. Like, we have used 203 containers to supply this material in last 8 months. Average 25 to 26 containers we required every month. Out of that, 5 containers we have noticed which have faced the detentions. That detention overall charges we have paid around 17,500 rupees. After the data observation at primary stage, we have come out with the 5 containers details for the further analysis. First 3 containers here detained by 1 day. Fourth container was detained by 3 days, and last 5th container was detained by 1 day. Further, we have find out the reasons for the detentions. Likewise, slating delays, production delays, quality issues, PPC priority change, rejection of interplant substrate. On these observations, we have called a brainstorming session with the data which we have, and we have worked out together with the cross-functional as well as the functional team for the detailed discussion and improvement action plan. During the during the observation and discussion, we have find out some root cause after the brainstorming session with the cross-functional team. This is the first level of the root cause. After that, we have further. After that, after that we have sort out these two
main results.
This is the root cause analysis. After the brainstorming session, we have worked out with the cross-functional team as well as the functional team. These are the first level fishbone diagram. After that, in the second level fishbone diagram, we have come out with the main affected reason. These are the reasons discussed among with the team after the brainstorming session. There are few more outcomes that are likewise. PPC will share the advanced slating sequence according to the line loading to arrange the slating plans, tracking containers using the visibility platform. FGS team is sending the daily container tracking report to the operation team. Use the data. Currently analysis report we are sharing with the cross-functional and plant head to improve upon the existing situation. More visibility, more control. Using this concept, PPC is looping the operation team at the time of container requisition to the logistic team, and also sharing the daily dispatch plans with the stakeholders, all the stakeholders. Sir, this is all about the project progress, and we are working further after analysis action, check, standardize as per the Gantt chart. Thank you so much.